Today, NVIDIA, a global leader in AI innovation, has released a series of free online courses through its Deep Learning Institute. These 10 courses are a must for anyone looking to master artificial intelligence. Let's dive into the highlights. 1. Getting started with AI on Jetson Nano. This introductory course teaches you to build and train a classification model using the NVIDIA Jetson Nano Developer Kit. Over 8 hours, you'll set up your device, collect and annotate image data, train neural networks, and run inference for real-world AI applications like image classification and object detection. Ideal for beginners with basic Python familiarity, it equips you to create custom deep learning models at the edge. 2. Accelerating data science workflows. Accelerate your data processing and analysis using Rapids on GPU-accelerated systems. In this 8-hour course, learn to handle end-to-end workflows with tools like CUDF for data manipulation and CUML for machine learning, speeding up tasks dramatically. Prerequisites include Python experience with Pandas and NumPy. Earn a certificate to validate your skills in optimized data science. 3. Generative AI Explained. Gain a foundational understanding of generative AI concepts, applications, challenges, and opportunities without any coding. This 2-hour overview covers how neural networks generate new content from inputs, exploring real-world uses and ethical considerations. No prerequisites required, making it accessible for anyone curious about this transformative technology. 4. Building a brain in 10 minutes. Discover the biological inspirations behind early neural networks in this quick, free introductory session. In just 10 minutes, explore how neural networks learn from data and the mathematics of a neuron with hands-on code examples in Python. No prior experience needed, perfect for a rapid insight into AI fundamentals. 5. Augment your LLM using RAG. Learn how Retrieval augmented generation enhances large language models by integrating dynamic, domain-specific data without retraining. This 1-hour course covers the RAG retrieval process and NVIDIA AI Foundation's components for building effective systems. No prerequisites, providing a strong starting point for improving AI model accuracy and relevance. 6. Building RAG agents with LLMs. Master deploying practical agent systems using Retrieval augmented generation and large language models. Over 8 hours, design scalable RAG pipelines. Apply advanced techniques like internal reasoning and tooling and bundle them for delivery. Prerequisites include introductory deep learning, PyTorch, and intermediate Python. Complete the assessment for an NVIDIA DLI certificate. 7. Mastering recommender systems. Uncover winning strategies from NVIDIA's Kaggle Grandmasters in this 47-minute video on building high-performing e-commerce recommendation systems. Learn 2-stage models, candidate generation with co-visitation matrices, feature engineering, and ensembling techniques through competition insights. Recommended for those with machine learning and Python knowledge, offering practical tips for data science competitions. 8. How to perform large-scale image classification. Acquire advanced techniques for classifying images at scale in this 54-minute video from NVIDIA's Grandmaster series, covering CNNs, transfer learning, data preparation, and competition-winning methods like fine-tuning and ensemble strategies from the Google Landmark Recognition Challenge. No specific prerequisites, ideal for computer vision enthusiasts seeking real-world applications. 9. Building video AI applications. Develop intelligent video analytics using DeepStream on the Jetson Nano. This 8-hour course guides you through setting up pipelines to annotate and analyze multiple video streams, incorporating models like YOLO for object detection and classification. Prerequisites include basic Python and programming fundamentals, enabling you to create edge AI solutions for insights from video data. And while the full list includes exceptional courses, these provide a robust foundation. Access them now via the link in the description. All courses are self-paced and free, offering certificates to boost your career. Stay ahead in AI with NVIDIA. Enroll today.